In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to DeFi apps. By the end, you'll confidently link your Coinbase Wallet browser extension to popular decentralized finance platforms, so you can swap, lend, or provide liquidity with ease. First, install the Coinbase Wallet extension on a supported browser like Chrome or Brave. Make sure you're downloading it from the official browser web store and that the publisher is legitimate. Avoid third-party sites or files. Extensions should always come from the store, and you should see the official branding before you proceed. Once it's installed, you'll see the Coinbase Wallet icon in your toolbar, and the extension will be ready to use. Before we continue, a quick note. I've placed the official download link for the Coinbase Wallet extension at the very top of the description, along with direct links to the DeFi websites mentioned in this video. Use those to avoid fake or phishing pages. Next, navigate to the DeFi app you want to use. Examples include Uniswap for token swaps or Compound for lending and borrowing. Double check that you're on the official website by reviewing the URL carefully. When the site loads, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Click Connect Wallet, then choose Coinbase Wallet. If the site lists Wallet Connect instead, select Wallet Connect and then pick Coinbase when prompted. Your browser should display a Coinbase Wallet extension pop-up, asking you to approve the connection. Review the site name and permissions, then click Approve. In a second or two you'll be connected, and the app will typically show your wallet address or a connected status. A few important tips to keep things smooth. Fund your wallet with the native token of the network you're using to cover gas fees. For example, you'll need ETH on Ethereum, AVAX on Avalanche, or Matic on Polygon. Without that, transactions won't go through. Also confirm your wallet is set to the correct network that the DeFi app operates on. Networks like Arbitrum, Polygon, Base, Avalanche, BNB Chain, and other EVM-compatible chains are supported by the extension. If something isn't loading or the connect button spins, switch to the appropriate network in your wallet and try again. Security-wise, always verify you're on the official DeFi website and never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. The extension and legitimate sites will never ask for it. If a pop-up looks suspicious or asks for your phrase, close it immediately. That's it. Install, open the DeFi site, connect via Coinbase Wallet, and approve the request. Thanks for watching.